what's up y'all? It's your girl Säna Amira and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do one of my favorite things to do, which is an unboxing video. It's one of my favorite things. So yeah, I am going to do an unboxing video today, and I actually mentioned it in a previous video. I'll link that video in the info bar above. But it is a pair of Bapes. I am super excited. The previous video is actually a Bape unboxing video as well. So go ahead and check that out too. I do talk about these. So yeah, like I was talking about it in the previous video about how I saw them and I really wanted them. But I just wanted to get those first and see how they worked out, and they're great. I love them so much. So I did go ahead and get the other pair. The only drawback is that they were sold out on the Bape website. So I did go through StockX to purchase these. So, and that's another funny story. My first experience with StockX, I'll link that in the info bar as well. That one got a lot of views. That's one of my highest viewing videos. So hopefully this one ranks pretty high as well. But yeah, let's dig into this box to see what I got. I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna review them so you guys can see how they look on me. But yeah, let's dig into it. I'm super excited. So let's go. I don't know why I'm not putting it up here. That's the whole reason why I have this thingy. So it's in the same box as the other Bapes that I got. Bam. So yeah, this box looks just like, you know what? Let me go grab my box. I'm pretty sure I still have it. So yeah, let me go grab my box so we can compare and contrast. All right, so this is my box from the original sneaker unboxing that I did. It looks the same. It's just this one is a little bit smaller because I did get this in a 7.5. The 7.5 was a little bit small, so I ended up getting these bad boys in an 8. But yeah, like, yeah, it's got all the same thingies on it, so the outside at least is looking legit. No more cause. Usually they would put their little thank you card on a cause thing, but now it's watches or Rolex. I don't want a Rolex. Then the little StockX sticker, of course. I'm excited. So this is the sneaker. The Bathing Ape Bapesta Mid in brown, tan, and pink. Hence why I'm wearing this outfit, so it matches the kicks. I'm so excited. They look really good. Yay. Let me pull out the other one. I just love how they look. They have the beautiful patent leather on the outside. And they have a rubber sole with the iconic star on the bottom. They are brown, tan, and pink. Super cute. Bubblegum pink. I love it. But yeah, this is definitely taking me back to like the early 2000s to Soulja Boy. Like, they're making me so happy right now. Because I actually owned a fake pair back in the day because I couldn't afford the real pair. So being able to afford the real pair is like satisfying. But yeah. And that's why I'm wearing this brown to go with the shoes so y'all can see how it looks on me. So yeah, let me show you guys how it looks. I'm so excited. They look so good. I'm so glad that they're not creased. Usually whenever I get sneakers, I'm always like worried about them being creased. But they're perfect. They're bent a little bit like inwards, but once I actually wear them, I'm sure they'll poke right out. So excited. They look so good. I really do like these like shoestrings though. I like this color better. Do you like the tan color laces or do you like the white color laces? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, like I said, these are actually sold out on the website. So I'm thankful that I was actually able to get them because I love them so much. They're so awesome. And I love patent leather. Like, patent leather is one of my favorite leathers. So I'm happy that I got them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment and subscribe. Do you think you like these better or do you like the black version better? Leave it in the comments below. If you guys want to see me do more unboxing videos, please make sure to give this a thumbs up. Make sure, please subscribe. I really do want to get like to 300 subscribers. I honestly want to get to like thousands and thousands and thousands of subscribers, but baby steps. So please hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of like fashion, streetwear, and even like fast fashion type of unboxings, try-ons, and even lookbooks. So if you guys are into that type of thing, please give me a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at aanasmira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.